Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I know you all are enjoying this online lessons at home. Yes? And you all are playing also. Correct? Yes. Now, before we start the new lesson today, I would like to ask you that you must have learned the previous lesson thoroughly, right? Yes? Especially those map activities. Yes? Now, no need to get afraid of map activities. Correct? Okay. Now, before we proceed to the new lesson, we will learn new words, okay, of the same lesson. You're supposed to repeat after me. Calendar. 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 Purposes. 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 Important. 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 Statue. 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 Shards of pottery. 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 Studing. Studying. Studing. Studying. History. 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 Digging. 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 Foundation. Foundation. Building. 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 Carefully. Carefully. Through. 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 Period. 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 Belong. Belong. Newspaper. Newspaper. Remember. Remember. Particular. 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 Fact. Fact. Search. Search. Information. Information. MEASURING, measuring. MEASURING, measuring. FORTNIGHT, fortnight. FORTNIGHT, fortnight. Instruments. INSTRUMENTS, instruments. INSTRUMENTS, instruments. Water clock. WATERCLOCK, water clock. WATERCLOCK, water clock. Hourglass. HOURGLASS, hourglass. HOURGLASS, hourglass. 14th. FOURTEENTH, 14th. FOURTEENTH, 14th. CENTURY, century. CENTURY, century. CONSISTED, consisted. CONSISTED, consisted. CONNECTED, connected. CONNECTED, connected. VESSELS, vessels. VESSELS, vessels. FITTED, fitted. FITTED, fitted. FRAME, frame. FRAME, frame. POURED, poured. POURED, poured. CONSTRUCTED, constructed. CONSTRUCTED, constructed. LOWER, lower. LOWER, lower. PARTITIONS, partitions. PARTITIONS, partitions. DIFFERENT, different. DIFFERENT, different. Convenience. CONVENIENCE, convenience. CONVENIENCE, convenience. UNKNOWINGLY, unknowingly. UNKNOWINGLY, unknowingly. DIVIDED, divided. DIVIDED, divided. EXAMPLE, example. EXAMPLE, example. Split. SPLIT, split. SPLIT, split. HISTORICAL, historical. HISTORICAL, historical. It's very good. Now what can you see, children, on the screen? Yes, this is a calendar. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you a question. For which purpose do we use a calendar, children? Yes, we all have calendars at home, correct? Yes. For which purpose do we use? Yes, we use a calendar to identify the days, then months, year. Okay, we can plan out our daily activities. Okay, fine, we'll see the answer. We use a calendar to identify days, months, and year. We can identify the particular time in which we are living, and we can plan our daily activities. Okay, we can plan your schedule as per the daily routine. Okay. When and why do you turn the page of a calendar, children? Yes? Yeah, when uh, the month gets over. Yes? Then we can change the page of the calendar to for the next month. Yes or no? See. The page of a calendar is turned on completion of dates of a particular month. It becomes necessary to get another page of it for the subsequent month. Subsequent month means the following month or the next month. Okay, we need to see the dates and the holidays especially. You need to plan out for something. Yes, so for that purpose we are supposed to turn the page of a calendar. Okay. Now, from these questions, what can you understand? Which lesson I am going to teach you today, children? Yes? Yes. By this, you can understand time. That means the lesson name is lesson number 5, understanding time. Okay. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 5 from EVS 2, understanding time. Okay. We'll see part 1 of this lesson. Time has 3 parts, children. Okay, as everyone knows, past, present, and future. Yes, you all must have learned the tenses also. Past tense, present tense, and future tense. Like that, time has 3 parts: past, present, and future. Okay. Now, for example, past means my granny told a story yesterday. Okay, that is already happened. Okay, she told me a story yesterday. So that is what is already happened is called as past. Understood? Now what is present? Today, what is happening today is called as present. Okay. If I say today is Wednesday. Okay, so that means the present day. Now tomorrow is my birthday. That will be the future. Okay, so like this, time has 3 parts: past, present, and future. Okay, now time can be understood using means such as calendars and school timetables, etc. Now children, in the school you must be waiting for the recess. Yes or no? Because you need to eat yummy tiffins. Okay, so you all are waiting for the recess time. Okay, that means what? Unknowingly you must be calculating time in your minds. Okay, yes. What can you see on the screen, children? Yes, these are the statues. But how are they? They are the broken statues. Okay, yes. Now these are coins. This is the shards of pottery. See, when we were learning new words, that time we have come across the shards of pottery. Okay, that means the broken pieces of pots. Okay, shards of pottery means broken pieces of pots. Okay. Now see, it is important to understand time for studying history. Okay, when we are studying history, that time we should understand the time. Okay, now see, whenever we dig up the foundation of a building, or suppose we need to construct a building, that time we dig some part of the land. Okay, so we may get some material like old statues, coins, or shards of pottery. Okay, then these material are studied carefully. Okay, who studies all this material? Who studies this? The expert persons. Expert persons means the person which knows those things better. Okay, then these things are studied carefully by the expert persons, and through these studies we come to know about the period of time to which they belong. Okay, children? Okay, yes. Now see, what can you see this? You must have seen in the serial of Shivaji Maharaj. Yes or no? Yes. This is the royal stamp, you can say. Royal mudra also we can say. Okay. Yes. These are the weapons. Okay. Which were used at the time of battle. Okay. Who used this? Shivaji Maharaj and their Mavlas. They use these weapons. Okay. For the battle. These also are the stamps, okay, which those kings were using that time. That means all these things were used at the time of Shivaji's dynasty. Okay, that means you can say 16th century. Okay, so by seeing this, you can understand the period of time to which they belong. Yes. Now see, these are the coins. What is written on the coin? 1862. Okay. Before we got independence, children, who were ruling us? We were ruling by Britishers. Okay. So British people, they were using these coins. Okay. So you can see the year written on that. That means these coins were used by the Britishers, and at that time, before we got independence. Okay. So by this we can understand the period of time to which they belong. Okay. Now, everybody knows newspaper, children. Yes, you must be getting at your house. Okay. Today's newspaper becomes old tomorrow. What we do? We read newspaper and the next day it becomes old. Yes. Yeah. But if we cannot remember a particular fact, okay, then what we do, we search through old newspapers to find the information we need. Yes or no? See, sometimes teachers also tells you to find something, or children write an essay on the topic Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, then what you do, you start hunting information. Yes or no? You search the information in the old newspapers, you cut the pictures from those newspapers and you stick somewhere, you stick in the book. Yes or no? So this is how the today's newspaper will tomorrow become an important means of getting to know history. Okay, children? Understood? Yes. This is how the today's newspaper will tomorrow become an important means of getting to know history. Clear? Yes. Now we'll have the recap what we have learned in this lesson. Okay? Yes. Now, why do we use calendar? We use calendar to identify days, months, year, and we can plan out our daily activities also. Okay? Why do we turn the page of a calendar? Yes, for the next month. Yes or no? To see the next month or the festivals which comes in the next month. Yes, so to see what all the holidays. Correct? Yes. So for that purpose we need to change or to turn the page of a calendar. Now time has three parts. Which are those? Past, present and future. Okay? Three parts. Time has divided into three parts: past, present and future. Getting it? Yes. Now, what is important to know for studying history? It is important to understand or to know the time, okay, for studying history. Okay? Yes. What we have seen in that? Yes, when we dig something or dig some part of a land, or we need to construct a building. At that time we dig no some part of land, so that time we may get the shards of pottery or some broken statues, some old coins. Okay, then these materials later on can be studied by the expert persons, and they write down the conclusion by which we can understand the period of time to which they belong. Getting it? Yes. Now we have seen the example of newspaper, how the today's newspaper becomes become an important means of getting to know history. Yes or no, children? Yes, we can search the information which we need. We can find out the pictures also, and we use it for the for making something, for making some scrapbook, like that. Okay, that means today's newspaper will tomorrow become an important means of getting to know history. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood till now. The remaining part we are going to learn in the next session, that is part 2. Okay, till then, thank you. Sai Ram. Bye.